Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your relationship message today, guys, I have one card here. So before we start the reading, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity, guys. So for your relationship message, Taurus, this is the card here, and the message for you all with this card is that for your situation, guys, for your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth in the evolution of your relationship. Which will you choose? To open up to the possibility of love, or to remain isolated, to go deeper and commit to mutual passion, or to walk away? This is a time to take responsibility for your truest desire and follow it. Be honest with yourself about what you are willing to do, invest, and give. Then choose. You cannot make a wrong choice. If you move forward with the relationship, know that it will be based in truth and authenticity. You will have made a conscious decision rather than simply hanging on because you don't want to be alone, or ending things because you are afraid of the intensity of genuine connection. All roads lead to the lessons you must learn in your relationships. Regardless of the decision you make, it will place you on the path to a truer experience of the heart. So, that is your relationship message, Scorpios. If you want more clarity about your situation, you can watch that pick a card reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is the first deck and this is the second deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it and we will open these cards. I'll start with the first pile. We'll be picking 3 cards each. So whichever pile you want to, it comes to your mind first, you can choose that pile. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. You can think about the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation and choose the pile, whichever comes to you first. So let's start with this first deck. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is coming with these cards, guys, for your love reading. I'll be picking 3 cards. It's Abbess of Stars in reverse, 6 of Moons, and Ace of Stars in reverse. So with these cards, it may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. With these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, the first deck, this person and yourself, you may not share that good understanding, guys. They are living in the past, so they are comparing you with their past person and they are always thinking about that past situation they were in. So some preconceived ideas they have about these about this relationship, so that is blocking them from seeing what is happening right in front of them, and they have that uh, criticizing nature. So whatever you do, whatever actions or whatever you are up to, they are always criticizing, finding fault with something or other. So you may feel that this person does not have that true love and concern on you, and the way they are putting in, or it may be your energy. You are very committed, you want to understand this person and make this connection work, but this person does not reciprocate that same level of understanding and that desire to understand and build that beautiful meaningful relationship. So this person is not reciprocating that same concern for you, that respect you have for them, that caring nature you have for them. So their behavior is something like um, a critic. So they are always criticizing, finding faults with you, and they are making some immature decisions on their part, but they are not aware of it. And you are and they are also quite embarrassed of you, embarrassed of your behavior. So they are always angry, or they are always arguing or fighting with you. So it is really difficult on your part to build that understanding with this person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment, guys. A very happy new year to all of you. I hope this year brings lot of happiness and joy in your lives, guys. So let's start with the second deck now. So I will pick 3 cards from this deck. This is your second deck. So let's see what are the cards. So 3 cards for your love reading. What is your situation? So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. It's 4 of Pentacles in reverse, High Priestess in reverse, and Moon in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, with this person, whatever you are doing, this person is simply opposing you on some things. They don't accept whatever you say, and they don't accept the truth or anything you say. They are just trying to put you down. Maybe for some of you, they are there in this connection with you just for that fun aspect of this connection. They don't want that true deep bond with you. They just want to have fun with you, and they don't want that commitment and that responsible attitude in this connection. So that may cause some kind of differences between you both, and you feel whatever you talk is just a waste of time, and you want to be silent sometimes, trying to avoid them, trying to avoid a fight, or trying to avoid some kind of argument. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love reading for those who have chosen the second deck. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. And a very happy new year to all of you guys. I hope this year brings lot of happiness, success, and prosperity in your lives. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.